Let me introduce our newest products, the working cabinets, the made in all stainless steels. Let's take a look at the overall sizes first. The units will be 71 inches in the length and 23.5 inches in the width. Overall height will be 31 and 1 inches. The units come with the 4 wheels, they're lockable, and for each wheel, about 5 inches tall. And they also having the 2 sliding door for each of the side. Let's take a look at the inner side. It's 18 inches in the depth. And the overall length will be 69.5 inches. And the inner side will be 20 inches tall. Let's take a look at the back side. Okay, they are exactly the same working way on the both sides. So if you do have more questions, please contact with us.